こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today we're going to learn expressions number 12. I'm sure you've heard a lot of occasions this word, 失礼. Today you are going to learn how to use this 失礼 and what does it mean. Kanji meaning of this 失, it comes from the verb 失います, to lose, and this 礼 is etiquette. Etiquette. So 失礼 as a noun, the meaning is discourtesy or impoliteness, rudeness. But this is adjective, not adjective. Then 失礼な, it means impolite, rude. The example of not adjective. 失礼な人, it means impolite person, rude person. 失礼な人. This vocabulary, 言葉, is quite poetic. 言葉, it means words. Words. But this kanji, こと, it comes from the verb 言います. 言います, it means to say. Ba, here, ba, but this is the kanji of 葉. 木の葉, the leaves, the leaves of the trees. So 言葉, words, literally, the leaves speak. The leaves say something. This is words, 言葉. 失礼な言葉. It means impolite words, rude words. 失礼な言葉. One more example, like na adjective and the noun. 失礼な態度. 態度, it means attitude. So 失礼な態度. This means impolite attitude, rude attitude. 失礼な態度. Let's make a sentence. Please forgive me such a rude attitude. Vocabulary. 大変, and this can be na adjective. 大変な something. And this means very tough, difficult, serious. This is 大変. 大変 can be an adverb. And in this case, the meaning is like とても, very. But 大変, it is much more than very. It is like extremely, awfully. So we use this 大変 to for some, oh, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry, extremely sorry, like this. So this, we don't use in a casual sentence, casual way of speaking, but this is very formal way, and the meaning is just the same as とても. The verb to forgive, 許します. This is group 1. So the 手 form is 許して. And 手 form and ください, please. So 許してください. Please forgive me. 許してください. 大変失礼な態度を許してください. 大変失礼な態度を許してください. You shouldn't say such impoliteness. You shouldn't say such rudeness. The verb to say. 言います. 言います to say. This is group 1. And the 手 form 言って. So you shouldn't say 言ってはいけません. 言ってはいけません. You shouldn't say. 失礼なことを言ってはいけません. 失礼なことを言ってはいけません. She is impolite. She is rude. The vocabulary. 彼女, this is she. She. But this can be also girlfriend. But in this case, she. So she is rude. 彼女は失礼です. We can also say in this way. She's a rude person or she's an impolite person. 彼女は失礼な人です. ちょっと失礼. あ、ちょっと失礼. This is very useful expressions. For example, there are many people here and I wanna go through. I wanna pass. あ、ちょっと失礼. The same expression, ちょっと失礼, but this is more polite way. ちょっと失礼します. Wait します. ちょっと失礼します. May I pass? May I go through? This ちょっと失礼します is really useful because we can use in these situations too. For example, someone is talking, and I want to interrupt this conversation because I want to say something. あ、ちょっと失礼します。Just a moment, please. Excuse me. I wanna talk. ちょっと失礼します。So, when you want to interrupt somebody's conversations, ちょっと失礼します。The third situation that we can use this expression, ちょっと失礼します。ちょっと失礼します。We can use this. For example, I wanna go somewhere. I must go somewhere else, but I want you to wait for me. For example, I have to go to the bathroom, but please wait for me. ちょっと失礼します。待っていてください。ちょっと失礼します。Excuse me for a moment. 失礼します。Only this one. 失礼します。We use this expression when we want to enter some place, like I'm gonna enter the office, I'm gonna enter the room, or some classroom, or maybe I'm gonna enter somebody's house. So I can say 失礼します。Maybe in English, it is May I come in? 失礼します。I have to get going now. I think I should go now. そろそろ失礼します。So this is completely the different meaning. Only 失礼します。May I come in? But そろそろ失礼します。It means I have to go. This そろそろ, it's very difficult to translate because maybe you don't have this word. そろそろ, little by little, it's your time. It's, yeah, gradually it is going to be late. So I have to go. I should go now. I have to, yeah, I think I have to go now. そろそろ失礼します。It's getting dark. It's getting late. そろそろ失礼します。So I have to go now. This expression, 失礼します, can be used in many situations. So the other one, 失礼します or では失礼します. It means thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for taking your time. So now I'm going. では失礼します。お先に失礼します。お先に失礼します。This is very, very useful expression, and also in daily Japanese life, if you are working in some companies, every day you will listen this word. お先に失礼します。It means I'm going now. I just finished my work. I'm going before you. You're staying still, but I'm going. お先に失礼します。お先に it means ahead, before, and 失礼します you go. お先に失礼します but there's not exactly that exact translations. お先に失礼します can be I'm leaving now, so don't work too much. I'm leaving because I finished. お先に失礼します Thank you for letting me go before you. お先に失礼します like this. So, お先に失礼します I'm leaving. See you tomorrow. Like this. お先に失礼します Now the combination with this てもいいですか It means 失礼してもいいですか Or we can add ちょっと失礼してもいいですか It means Will you excuse me for a moment? Other very useful expression 失礼ですか Then you continue 失礼ですか It means excuse me but oh I'm sorry pardon me I think this might be a little bit rude but I wanna ask you something 失礼ですか Excuse me but 名前 name and お名前 with more politeness so excuse me but what's your name 失礼ですがお名前は何ですか Excuse me but what's your job job 仕事 and お仕事 with or is more respectful way 失礼ですがお仕事は何ですか Excuse me but do you have some time 時間 and with more respectful way お時間 with o 失礼ですがお時間がありますか Excuse me but how old are you How old are you? We say おいくつですか？おいくつですか？ We can also say 何歳ですか？ But 何歳ですか is more direct questions. 何歳ですか？おいくつですか is a little bit more polite way or elegant way. So 失礼ですか？おいくつですか？ Now in the past tense, 失礼しました。失礼しました。Or even in 敬語、失礼いたしました。敬語 is more respectful way. 失礼いたしました。This is an expression to say I'm sorry. Oh, I'm really sorry. This is 失礼しました。In this case, the synonym is すみません。I'm sorry. ごめんなさい。I'm sorry. But for example, kids will say ごめんなさい。I'm sorry. ごめんなさい。But kids will never say 失礼しました。Because the older expressions with 失礼, this is quite used in the business scene, business situations, or if you want to say something to your boss, 失礼しました or your client. So 失礼 with this word, 失礼, it is very formal way to say I'm sorry. 大変失礼しました。大変失礼いたしました。You know, 大変, this is adverb. It can mean very or terribly, awfully, extremely. I apologize you sincerely, or I offer you my deepest apologies. 大変失礼しました。大変失礼いたしました。Today I can explain to you some expressions using 失礼. There are many expressions, right? And we use this 失礼 in the formal occasions, not casual occasions, okay? If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. Please do it. いかがでしたか？今日はこの失礼を使ったいろいろな表現を勉強してきました。たくさんありますよね。気に入っていただけましたか？もしそうだったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録お願いいたします。それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたらとても嬉しいです。本当に助かるんです。ぜひお願いいたします。では、今日はこれで失礼します。わかりましたか？これで失礼します。じゃあね。